Hello, I am Zach Shakemick. Welcome to new tutorial. Open the Photoshop with new page in 1300 by 1300 pixel scale. Make the background black, put the table image and make it in the center. Find any photo with burger in it. Find some fries image. Cut the burger using magic tool. Don't cut burger using magic tool. Use pen tool and select path. Now cut the image. Boring, I know. Remove the logo and don't tell anyone. Find some flame and fire image to make the burger hot. This one is good. Put it in the background. Change the to screen. He table needs little paint. Paint with wood color and change it to color. Find some vapor image. Put it in front the burger and change the to screen. Use soft brush to paint the shadow. For both burger and fries. Put in more flame photos and to make looks cool, I mean hot. Change it to screen and scale it down. Open filter and choose camera raw filter. Just play with setting until you like it. Now that is good. Thank you for watching.